Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. We're going to start things off by making a tropical drink. This is a little something I like to call a golden shower. No, wait, that's not right. This is actually called a wet dream. No, that's not right either. Oh, it's called a golden dream. So, I'm going to make a golden dream. I was thinking about something else when I said golden shower. Alright, so I got my cocktail shaker. I have 4 ounces of freshly squeezed orange juice. See here? I just wanted to prove that I freshly squeezed my orange juice. So that's 4 ounces of OJ. And we got 3/4 ounce of Vanilla Galliano. And 3/4 ounce of Cointreau. And here's the piece de resistance. I have a nice big scoop of vanilla ice cream, and that's going to go into my cocktail shaker. And I'm going to shake that vigorously. And that is a golden dream. I'll give it a try. Tastes just like an orange Julius. Alright, so coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. It's still quite early in the day, so I'm gonna do little mini frittatas to go with my drink for Appies with Chappy by the lake, coming right up. Alright, I'm going to make my mini frittata for my Appies with Chappy by the lake. Got a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You can see that pan's pretty hot. A little bit of butter. Alright, I got some chopped smoked ham. And some potatoes and red bell peppers. And then I put some serrano peppers in there as well, but I took out the seeds because they got a lot of heat. Give a little salt. And we'll let those potatoes cook all the way through before I add the eggs. Alright, those potatoes are all cooked through. We're going to do 2 eggs. And I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. And I got some freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Just spread that out a little bit. Alright, and then we're just going to finish it under the broiler. Alright, so it's nice and golden brown on the top. And I think I'll cut it into triangles like a little pizza. Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I got my mini frittatas all done. I cut them up into little tiny squares. Give it a try. Got the serrano peppers in there. Add a little kick. Might get a little hot sauce for dipping too. Alright, we need a drink to go with our mini frittatas. So I'm going to do an electric lemonade. So I got a big hurricane glass full of ice. I think I'll put the booze in first. I'll see if I can get a little bit of a layering effect going. Otherwise, it'll probably just turn green. It'll be... You're going to mix it up later anyways, but just for presentation purposes, I'll see if I can layer it. So we're going to do 1 ounce of vodka. One ounce of blue curacao. So right now we got a nice blue cocktail going. And then I'm just going to finish it off with lemonade. Alright, and I got a nice maraschino cherry garnish, and that is an electric lemonade to go with my mini frittatas for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. This is not my bar, that's Lake Okanagan. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And we have a new episode every Friday. So this is Chappy saying life is hard, that's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.